Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I am going to show you how to change the background in Canva. So, let's get started. First thing first, open Canva on your PC. Now, open your project whose background you want to change. To change the background, you'll need to have your design elements ready. Now it's time to remove background. Select the pictoot and click on the Edit Photo button located at the top left. Then click on the BG remover. Now you have removed your background. Now it's time to apply a new background. Select the picture and click on the elements. Here you can search background as you want. In my case, I search funky background and click enter. Now select the background you want. Then right-click on the selected background. In the menu, click on the Set Image as Background. And there you have it. You have successfully changed background in Canva. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.